Hi all, welcome to my little world of baking. Today we are going to make a dish with chickpeas. So for which I'm going to take almost a cup of chickpeas. I'm using dried ones. So I'm going to pour water over it. I'm going to wash this and then come back. Now again I'm going to pour water, fresh water. I'm going to cover this and keep it aside. Say for 8 to 10 hours. So let it soak. I'm going to soak this overnight. Yeah, now our chickpeas is soaked and ready. We're going to discard this water and then come back. You can see they are soaked. Now I'm going to discard this water and then come back. Now here I have taken a pot. I'm going to throw these chickpeas into this pot. Now I'm going to add one chopped onion. Adding one chopped tomato. I've got green chilies here. I'm taking 2 green chilies. I'm going to slip the ends. I've got here garlic. I'm going to crush these garlics and then add them. I've thrown everything into the pot now. Now we need to add salt. Now oregano. Now pepper. I'm using crushed pepper. Now adding water to it. Mix this. Adding little bit more water. We are going to close this. So we are going to close this and cook this in a preheated oven, say at 200 degree, say for 1 hour. Adding a little bit of olive oil. Now closing it. We are going to place this inside the oven at 200 degree. So I'm going to place this inside the oven. I'm going to cook rice as well as in the oven. So it's ready, almost 1 hour. We are going to check if it is cooked. Yeah, now our chickpeas is cooked. So giving a few, I want to crush a few chickpeas. Not everything completely, but a few crushed ones. Now this is how our chickpeas looks like. This tastes really good with any kind of bread. Today I am going to have it with rice. This is also oven cooked rice. So with simple salad. So this is my lunch today. Now this is a dish with a very subtle flavors. I hope you all love this. Happy cooking!